Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Traveling Prof. Exactly 4 weeks ago, I uploaded my first ever video to YouTube. It was a totally new experience for me. I had no idea what I was setting out on. But over the last 4 weeks, I have learned an awful lot about what it takes to be successful on YouTube. I'm not saying that my videos have gone viral or anything like that. That's not what I consider success. As a matter of fact, right now, I'm sitting at about 1,000 or 1,200 minutes of watch time, and at the time this video was recorded, I had something around 30 subscribers. It's not a huge start, but it's a start. And I want to share with you 5 things that I have discovered as I have been working on building this YouTube channel, and hopefully I will answer the question for many of you, should I even start a YouTube channel? Without further ado, here are 5 secrets to a YouTube pioneer's success. Secret number 1, be a pioneer, not a settler. If you're one of those people who looks at a YouTube channel that's gone viral and you think, wow, I could be doing the same thing and making millions of dollars per month, then you're probably more of a settler than a pioneer. And honestly, you're probably not setting yourself up for success. Why? Because the best creators on YouTube are pioneers. When they were starting, they looked for a new spot and then they boldly went where no one else had ever gone before them. If you want to succeed on YouTube, you're probably going to need to find and tame your own unexplored wilderness. Secret number 2, there ain't no such thing as a free lunch. YouTube's a business, right? Businesses don't get rich by giving money away to every single person they come across. If you cannot create a YouTube channel that brings people to it reliably for 4,000 hours over the course of 1 year and has a repeated customer base or consumer base of 1,000 people, which YouTube calls subscribers, then really it's not in YouTube's best financial interest to monetize your channel. As a matter of fact, it's probably costing them more to host your material than it would gain them if they did. Secret number 3, long-term gains are best. In 2019, there were more than 31 million channels on YouTube, and combined, all the people uploading videos were uploading over 500 hours per minute. That's pretty bad news if you're a settler on YouTube, because it means that your videos are going to get lost in the shuffle. But if you're a pioneer, it's also good news, because it means that there's a ton of users out there who could be interested in your content. All you need to do is find them. A pioneer is going to work through those hardest times looking for the long-term gains and continue through the difficulty of being unnoticed until he finally successfully draws the viewers he has been looking for and is able to monetize and gain some kind of an income repeatedly from his channel. Truth number 4, the lazy bird gets no worm. Ultimately, the truths that we're discussing on this video boil down to one unavoidable part of human nature that the pioneers have successfully conquered. People want to be lazy. We don't want to work. We want to be comfortable in life. YouTube is a fantastic platform, but if you're not willing to put in the work to consistently upload videos and make it almost a matter of habit to do this, then you're better off not even starting the YouTube channel and just spending your time watching YouTube videos. Secret number 5, make a decision. This one annoys me. If you've gotten to the end of this video and you think, I've still got what it takes to be a YouTuber, then congratulations, you're one of few. But you still have one more thing you have to do. You have to be able to make a decision. And once made, you have to stick to it. You see, I have talked to so many people just since starting this YouTube channel within the last 4 weeks who said, yeah, man, I've been thinking about starting this YouTube channel, but just decide. Friends, we must make a decision. If you're going to do something, then decide to do it and do it. Don't just think about it. At the end of the day, many people are going to start YouTube channels regardless of the facts because they're hoping to get that one viral video that makes them famous. And I can't say that they won't make that viral video, but it's extremely difficult to do so with no following whatsoever. Almost without exception, The person who goes for this kind of channel will quit. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Who knows, if I get enough likes and subscriptions from this video, I might release a few more. We'll see you again soon. Until then, get curious and start digging.